Good afternoon, everybody. John Sewell here from Florida Auction Network, LLC in Panama City, Florida. We're getting ready to auction off this nice 93 model international dump truck from the City of Niceville. It's got a DT466 under the hood, guys. Fully operational machine. I couldn't believe it. We raised the bed up. There's not a single pinhole in the bed. It was holding water and oak leaves from sitting underneath these pretty oak trees over here. So like I said, it didn't drip a drop of water out until we raised her up. Fully operational truck, windshields, spider web on the passenger side there. All of the tires are either dry rotted or definitely need to be replaced. Like I said, DT466, fully operational, nice old truck. Make a good one for you. It's only got 48,829 miles on it. Casey, is that thing automatic or standard? Automatic or standard? It is standard shift, folks. DT466. I'll find out what transmission it is before we post it online. But fully operational machine, according to the City of Niceville, from what we can see, I'd have to agree with them. I said there are other videos where the old fat auctioneer's calling it a 91. Just think of him like a meteorologist. He's right about half the time. I did go look at the VIN number. It is a 1993 model international with a DT466, 48,829 miles. My name is John Sewell. I'm the owner and the auctioneer for Florida Auction Network. You can reach me at 850-896-2343. Once again, that's 850-896-2343 if you have any questions. Thank you. Takes gear well, guys. No grinding, clunking, or anything like that. Runs good and smooth. Like I said, we had to jump it off, but as you can see, once she's running, there's no smoke coming out of the smokestack. Engine sounds fantastic. It's good and clean on the inside. We're going to step over here next, look at this 2001 Sterling. We'll be selling for them as well. Once again, 850-896-2343. Thank you.